Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope everybody is fine and doing well. As we all know, the situation is very bad all around the world and mostly in our country, India. So today I have came here to do a small kind of makeup challenge video without using makeup tools like makeup brushes, sponges or like beauty blenders. It will be kind of a like challenge, like everyday go-to makeup look, not a like heavy or party kind of. So let's proceed. So I will be using my fingers to do the entire makeup, like eyebrows, everything. Okay, so yeah, let's go. So first I will be like parting my hair so that no hairs comes on my face. Okay, so yeah, this was my first ever makeup video challenge and I think it's quite fine as a daily makeup look, isn't it? Let me zoom it first. So yeah, that's all for this video. I hope you all like this video, so do put a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more such amazing contents, and yeah, take care of your health, take precautions, take medicines, and without any reason don't go out of your house. Bye bye, take care.